Hello guys, this is Hannah Festus, aka Feshibaba. I decided to use a very nice view today. This is my faculty in engineering. So let me get to the video today. And a lot of people have been asking me to create a video and teach them how to upload a TBC testimonial video on the website. So I decided to do this today. This part I'm going to be telling you how you can use your phone to make a video. You don't need a camera. You don't necessarily need to have a camera. You can use your phone. So I also get complaints. People who want to know how I make my video full screen. Yeah, actually I use my phone, and it's as easy as when you go this way. When you use your phone this way, you get a portrait mode with black backgrounds on both sides. You get the portrait mode. But when you tilt it this way, you get landscape. This is the way I do my videos. To me, this is the most appropriate. So anyone that works with you, fine. So you go this way to get landscape mode. Yes, guys. So I think I'm done here. Under 5 to 10 minutes, you can actually do a testimonial video. All you just have to say is tell us why you believe in TBC. Tell us why you joined TBC. Tell us why you bought TBC coins. Tell us why you still have faith in TBC. Okay, so TBC rocks, guys. So let's know. Just tell us something about TBC. You can make a video on a recent blog post. You can go out there and talk to your friends. You can explain what is TBC to your own extent, like to what you know about TBC. You can say what you know. So just make a video. That's what TBC needs. We need people who are ready to promote us. We need people who are ready to go out there and talk about us. The social proof is very important, guys, and you can see the way people are pouring into the community. The social proof is working, guys, and the admin is very smart. So under 5 to 10 minutes, you're done, guys. So just under 5 to 10 minutes, you can just go this way with your phone, record it, either front or back camera, and tell us why you believe in TBC. Tell us why you joined TBC. If you've made some money from TBC, show us the cash. Show the money. Show us the money. So let me go over. Let me show you my screen so that I can show you how to upload it to YouTube and on the TBC website. Thank you.